all your viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, we have brought some stuff by Bossman brands to the channel before. They are no stranger here. I love a lot of their products, like their beard soaps and their jellies, and I had a good run-in with their first 2 original oils that they released. Now, if you're curious about any of those, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to see those up in there, all right? Now, what I like about Bossman brands is they're really not satisfied with stuff, so they decided to redo a whole bunch of their beard oils and unveil some new stuff. But we're going to get there in just a moment. That's right. We're going to take a look at their brand new 5-pack sampler beard oil thing today. I really love what they've done with it, but if you guys... how can I put it? If you're not familiar with my channel, I'd like to give you a whole bunch of background info before I get right into the fun parts. So if you're familiar with Bossman brands, skip ahead about a minute, minute and a half, and then we're going to get right to the fun. You can find them at bossmanbrand.com. They are very proudly made in the US of A out of Austin, Texas. They say they have a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. I'm going to put that to the test after this review. I really, truly am. Now, Stephen Condon is the HMFIC over there, and he runs a pretty good show. His customer service has been pretty much on point, and I'll be honest with you, it got tested because of this product, but I'll get there. Now, they believe in giving you really high-quality ingredients at a fair price. All right, this is what we're talking about. All right, I love the new box that it comes in. I love the amount of detail they put into it and how it looks. Now, you're going to get 5 1-ounce black jars for $34.95. They have totally redone the look of their line. Now, you may remember, this is what they used to look like before. Now, this is comical, all right? When I ordered this originally, I got this in the mail. And I wasn't the only one it happened to. It happened to a couple dozen other people from reading stuff on their Facebook page and feedback forums. So it was weird that I ordered the 5-pack and I got Stagecoach, which I'm like, okay, because I love Stagecoach. So I contacted them and they were really, really quick to go, hey, we're sorry for the screw up. We'll get you out a new one. Keep the Stagecoach as our way of saying oops. So I thought that was freaking phenomenal. Now you're going to get in there, as you can see, their Royal Oud, Stagecoach, Gold, Hammer, and Magic oils. Okay. Now, I got... getting a little ahead of myself. So, the Stagecoach, for those of you guys who like to know all that, is leather, tobacco, and bourbon. Hammer is lavender, vanilla, geranium, and patchouli. Magic is vanilla, sandalwood, bergamot, frankincense, and patchouli. Gold has got a lot in there. Lemon, lavender, bergamot, cedarwood, spruce, velvetier, rosemary, saffron, and sandalwood. And Royal Oud is just oud. Now, this is the part where I went, okay, so where are you? Here we go. I'm like, did you guys change ingredients? So you might want to freeze frame that. That's on the old bottle. And it's the same exact as it is on the new bottle. Same exact ingredients. Jojoba oil, soybean oil, sunflower seed oil, beeswax, which makes me go, why is that in a beard oil? Safflower seed oil, castor seed oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, shea butter, and tocopherol, which is really good vitamin C supplement. All right. They went away from a 2-ounce bottle down to a 1-ounce glass jar, got away from the pump top, and came with the eyedropper top. Now, the web store lists different ingredients for each oil. On the back of the bottles, they're all the exact same on whatever bottle you want to look. Here, I'm going to show you Stagecoach and Hammer. You might want to freeze frame that. Oops, they're the exact same. Okay. Now here's Gold and Magic. It's the exact same. On their web store, there's lots of different ingredients. Now, I have no problem with eyedropper tops. I'm getting used to restrictor tops, and recently I've been using another company that doesn't have any tops in their oil. That's a little bit trickier for me because I got to be careful of my pore amount. And oh, before I forget, on their web store, this has been reviewed one time for a 5 out of 5 star rating. I found a problem with this, all right? I never ran into this problem in this container, But in all 5 bottles, the same problem happened. And I found it odd. I got them in, tried them all. I'm like, God, this is phenomenal. And let them sit for a couple weeks, like I have with other stuff before. And I've never run into this at all. Now, I want you to watch that eyedropper top. All right, now it looks like everything's coming out, right? But there's dried up, there's dried up parts right in there. I literally had to take a pin and puncture the bottle. Puncture the eyedropper top. No, wait, that wasn't Stagecoach. That was Hammer. I haven't really used that one that much. Now, of course, now it's not going to do it today. But see, you can see dried up parts that are right in there. Here's a good one. Do you see that? It's in there, and it's not even taking any oil into the top. So that's the magic scent. Gold I really haven't used that much, so I bet that problem's not going to be in there. Oh, well, look at that. Make a liar out of me. And just to complete the fun, yeah, there's Royal Oud. It's dried up in there. So I don't know if that's the shea butter. I don't know if that's the beeswax. I don't know if it's not that formula like it says, but the other formula that the web store says that's causing that drying up. I never had it happen in here, but you just saw it in those bottles. All right, I haven't used it that much because I'll be honest with you, I like his scents. I like his scent profiles. I think his beard conditioner is phenomenal. I think his beard soap is incredible. The beard jellies I've never really had a problem with once I figured out the right amount for my beard. But I always thought the beard oils were very heavy in my beard. And the scent seemed to be almost overpowering on some stuff. Like Magic, it's a big smacky in the mouth for the beard oil and the beard jelly. But I found it odd that, God, how can I put it? You've got dried up crap in your eyedropper top after 2 weeks that just shouldn't be there. Now I know, I usually go through the whole beard oil for skin, how to put it on, all this fun stuff, but I'm just not going to do it in this video. Because I'll be honest, I'm shocked by that, and I wonder who else it's happened to. Now, originally I got it right when these rolled out, so maybe they fixed that problem, maybe they've had that problem. I will be sending an email to Bossman Brands, and I am going to follow up with you guys at a later point with what happened. But I'm going to kind of end it like this. Maybe there should have been a little bit better quality control. I mean, if I can find that within 2 weeks of just sitting around in basically an air-conditioned room, and granted it's not air-conditioned right now because I'm filming, and you really don't want to hear... Come on. That. You know, that. My room in the summertime is usually kept right around 64 degrees. So it's not like it's going to freeze anything, and it's not like it's going to overheat anything. Alright? But here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Have you used Bossman Brands before? Have you had an experience like this in the glass jars? Because I'll be honest with you, I really like that look. It really reminds me of another company out of the 313. Well, if you minus the eyedropper top, that really reminded me of that. I kind of liked it. It stands out on a beard shelf, you know? But, you know, like I said, I want to know all that. Have you guys used them? Have you had problems? Have you had whatevers? You know? But moving on with this, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very grateful you chose mine. Now, for you first-timers and long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, I'm kind of curious. What's holding you back? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see if we can put it into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a card for, you're going to see big channel symbols popping up. Man, getting ahead of myself. Woohoo! You're going to see, the big channel symbol popping up. Go click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. And yeah, for you first timers, if I screw up, I kind of leave it in my videos because it just shows, see, I make mistakes and there's a human side to me too. But that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right by it. Why? Great question. Because you're going to be able to have YouTube notify you, my amazing subscribers, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My quick look at Bossman Brand's 5-pack beard oil. Thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day today, and I hope all of you are being safe.